Hey guys, it's Kathy Crafty Chica here to show you how to make some fun paper collage journals. These are some blank bullet journals I had, and I decided to transform them using my scrapbook paper stash, my washi tape, different images that I had. And here's how we're going to do this. You're going to need some scrapbook paper, different types of adhesives, a pencil, and some cardstock. So you want to start by opening your journal and cutting out cardstock to make a template of it, and then you can use that as a pattern to cut out the covers from your favorite scrapbook papers. Go ahead and crease your paper down the middle, and I will say one thing that I wish I had done different. I wish I had cut the paper just a little bit bigger so that it would overlap when I put the book inside of it. You'll see what I mean in a second. So here I lined it up, and see how there's a little bit of an edge showing? Well, actually it turned out good because that gave me an idea to embellish it further, which I will show you in just a minute. Anyone who knows me knows that I love contrast and color. Therefore, I pulled out some of my favorite washi tapes and I used them to line the spines of all of these journals as well as the edges. Didn't they come out super cute? Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for putting up with my raspy voice. I'm just getting over being sick, but I was so excited to share this project with all of you. Do me a favor, give this a thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends. Let's solve world peace through crafting, washi tape and scrapbook paper. Thanks guys, bye-bye.